Okay, study the experimental setups below. Carol placed an empty plastic container on ramp X and added marbles slowly onto it. She then recorded the distance moved by the container. We can see that the container is about 20 grams because of this. With no marbles, it is about 20 grams, right? But the more marbles you put, the more weight it has. Now, if and for different weights, uh, different the box would move a different distance. So you can see on ramp X at 20 and 25 grams, it doesn't move just like on ramp Y. But at 30 grams, it moved by 1 cm. But on ramp Y, it doesn't move all the way to 35 grams. On ramp X, however, on 35 grams, it moved by 2 cm. And it moved increasingly as more weights are placed. On ramp Y, it only starts to move at 40 grams and so on. So you can tell that the ramps are the same. They are both 10 cm in height, and the ramp is of equal size. But the ramp on the box, the container with marbles moves more on ramp X compared to ramp Y. So based on her results, what could Carol infer about ramp X and ramp Y? Well, we can tell that ramp X has lesser friction, right? So ramp X is smoother than ramp Y, or ramp X has there's lesser friction between the box and ramp X compared to ramp Y. That is very easy. We can tell immediately from the table. Carol spread some baby powder on the surfaces of ramp X. So we know that baby powder is very smooth. It makes things even smoother. So if you put, it's like putting a lubricant, right? We know that lubricant reduces friction. So if Carol spread some baby powder on the surfaces of ramp X and ramp Y, you can expect that her observation to be that the container with the marbles will be traveling a longer distance for the same mass of marble. So for the same mass of marble is very important. You must state that it would travel further for the same mass of marble. Okay. All right. So very simple question. I think all you need to do is to apply the concept of smooth and rough and lesser friction and more friction, and you can answer this question quite